This video shows how to retrofit an old 6-relay touchplate system that dates from 1946 to 1985 with the ZoneZ 6-relay combo. The old touchplate system consists of a transverter, the model number TVR1. Some of the newer transverters have a model number of the TPSO120. The pilot transformers are the PL120 or PL6. The relays down below are the model number 1550As, and the switch over here is the Touchplate CC6. And as you can see, this is a fully functional lighting system. The transverter has two commons that come from it. The switch is common and the relay is common. The switch is common goes out and ties into the switch common or the SC terminal on the switch. The relays common goes into the panel and ties into one side of each of the relays to feed the relay coil. If retrofitting a system with pilot transformers, there will be additional wiring in the system. From each pilot transformer, there are two wires that come from each. One wire is common, the other is the pilot indicator wire. All the commons will be tied together in the panel, and one wire will be ran back to the PC side or PC terminal of the switch. All the individual pilot wires come back to the switch and tie into the pilot terminals 1 through 6 at the switch itself. A breaker feed comes into the panel, feeds one side of the relays, feeds the transverter, and also feeds a neutral to the pilot transformers. The other side of the relays is the switch legs that go out to all the loads. The other side of the pilot transformers is a wire that goes down and ties into the switch leg of each of the relays. When it is time to remove the old system, it is important to label what is being removed. The parts that should be labeled are the line voltage switch legs, the commons, both the switch common and the pilot common, the pilot wires 1 through 6, and the relay wires 1 through 6. Now that the old system has been removed, you can see that I've labeled all the line voltage switch legs 1 through 6, all the pilot wires 1 through 6, the pilot common, and all the switch wires 1 through 6, as well as the switch common. This zone's retrofit is now complete. The blue terminals are for pilot outputs 1 through 6. The orange terminals are for switch inputs 1 through 6. At the bottom is a green and a black terminal. The green terminal is a switch input, which is for an all on. The black is a switch input for an all off. All the white terminals are for common. On the line voltage side, a breaker feed enters the panel and gets landed to the bottom 2 terminals. Jumpers then feed up the relay board and power each of the relays. Jumpers can be taken out at any time if a separate circuit is needed to be landed for each relay. The switch legs are landed on SW1 through SW6. Relay 1 is at the bottom of the board, with relay 6 being at the top. We hope this short video was helpful. To get more information, check us out on our website at touchplate.com.